Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll continue our discussion with the questions pertaining to the one that we see in the test of mathematics. So what we're going to be doing is basically we'll try and understand what are the questions that have been generally asked in this kinds of examinations, and also we'll also take a look at the approaches involved for solving the same as well. The question that we'll be focusing on is pertaining to coordinate geometry. So let's have a look at it. The equation of the circle, which is both the coordinate and as its tangents, while it touches the circle x squared plus y squared equal to 6x plus 6y minus 9 minus 4 root 2 is okay. So we need to find the equation of the circle in general. So let center be center of circle be r comma r, because both the coordinate axes are the tangent, so it will simply be the circle will simply look like something like this. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Something like this. It will be touching over here as well. So r comma r, where r is radius. Okay. And second circle center is simply 3 comma 3. This we can 2g and 2h, so 3 comma 3, and radius would simply be 2 root 2 minus 1. From the given equation we can actually figure that out. So having said that, therefore distance between the center here, in this case distance between the centers will be equal to the sum of radius. So therefore, by using the distance formula, we can write r minus 3 whole square plus r minus 3 whole square, the entire thing under the root, which can be given as r plus 2 to minus 1. R minus 3 to equal to plus 2 root 2 minus 1, which can be further written as r minus 3 root 2 r plus 2 root 2 minus 1. Subsequently, r into root 2 minus 1 equal to 5 root 2 minus 1. So therefore r can be given as 5 root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now we have minus root 2 r minus 3 equal to r plus 2 root 2 minus 1. So therefore we can again write this as r into root 2 plus 1 equal to root 2 plus 1, r equal to 1. So therefore equation is simply x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 1 square, which in turn x squared plus y squared equal to 2x plus 2y minus 1. So if you go by the option x over 2x plus 2y minus 1, so option D will be our answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So in case you are having any kind of difficulty, I suggest you go through the video as many times as you are clear enough to solve the same. And apart from that, once you get a gist of the concepts involved, then make sure you try and solve this question on your own with the video as a reference. So with that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel, so then we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.